Hi, it's Angie with Love and Glitter Designs, and I'm unboxing another order from White Bayou Wreaths and Supplies. Been getting a lot of great stuff from them lately, and let's see what we have today. Okay, let's see what we have in here first. Oh yes. Some beautiful new jewels, some in black. Get ready for some Halloween designs I'll be working on soon. And look at this beautiful blue. This is, okay, that's the back. This is the front. It's more of a matte, which is really cool. Oh, it's glittery. It's a glitter. That's really pretty. Needed some more blue. Whoa, okay. Let's put these over here for now. Okay. Look at all this ribbon. Yay! Wow, I had a lot of restocking to do. Also got lots of mesh down at the bottom. Had a lot of restocking to do for my personal designs that I'm working on for my clients, as well as for my whatnot shows. This is always a great one. This is always a great 2.5 inch gold glitter. I got some red glitter in a 1.5 and a 4 inch. We're not gonna go through everything, this is a lot. Got some lemons for a special client that has a custom order in. And of course, more black, some more patriotic. Still doing some, working on some patriotic designs, so you can see. Oh, let's look at this. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is a deluxe 4 inch. How gorgeous is that? And this is always a great neutral, as well as an 1.5 inch burlap. More red glitter. Got some orange. I got my orange and black ready. More black. Lots of options for patriotic. Oh, look at this. Look at that. That's gonna be great for Halloween. And more blue. I got a couple of the gold. I got a lot of great neutrals and some great patriotic ribbon. Oh, this is fun. Those blue and white cabana. How pretty is that with the red? Gorgeous. And also hot pink. I use a lot of hot pink in my designs. That's always a great one. And looks like we have some signs down here. I've got lots of mesh, black, red, pink, my favorite colors. Oh, and some green as well. Some of these signs are gonna be going in my whatnot show soon. Look how pretty is that? I love this. This is gonna be for my own personal design because I love that. Oh, I got an extra one, or I might use both. I don't know yet. Oh, this is cool for Dia de los Muertos. And got a Halloween. I've got a really great ribbon that goes with this. So we got some really great stuff today. Thank you, White Bayou Wreath and Supply Company. Thank y'all so much. This is wonderful, very well packed, great designs, great ribbon, great signs, everything. I loved everything. Thanks for watching.